Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about schedule workflows in Zoho Creator. Running a business means you may need to perform a lot of repetitive tasks like sending monthly sales reports as attachments, adding or updating lead information to a CRM, reminding customers to renew subscriptions, periodically checking and restoring inventory levels, letting employees know when projects are due, and much more. But it's also laborious and time-consuming to manually keep track of all these tasks, not to mention that they're prone to errors due to human intervention. Thankfully, you can overcome these challenges by automating the process using schedule workflows in Zoho Creator. A schedule is a type of workflow that lets you create timed tasks without any user input. You can create a schedule and add actions to it, and when the schedule is triggered, it invokes the associated actions. These actions can also be triggered during multiple instances, on a specific date and time. Zoho Creator gives you the flexibility to run a schedule workflows at a specific date and time. Additionally, you can also set a frequency to trigger the workflow. A few scenarios could be periodically updating lead information in your CRM, generating monthly expense reports. Another way to trigger a schedule workflow is to execute it based on the date values in the form. It can be for tasks like sending meeting alerts an hour or day in advance, reminding customers of subscription renewals before their due date, and a lot more. You can trigger these workflows for any of these instances based on your business requirement. Zoho Creator will take care of the routine process once you specify when the schedule workflow should run and what actions need to be triggered. We hope that watching this video has given you a good introduction to schedule workflows in Zoho Creator. Check out our other videos to learn more about configuring schedule workflows. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.